Remember when I say that Lagos is crazy hot? The heat. Lagos is hot, 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 hot. Someone in the comments advised that I should wait for the rainy season, when the weather would be cool and nice. Well, the rainy season is finally here, and let me tell you, I am here for every bit of it. The gloom, the dark hovering clouds, the howling wind, and the beautiful sound of rain hitting my roof and sliding down my windows. Ah, what a sight! And now, at least once a day, I pull over the one sweater that I came here with, I wear my fuzzy socks, grab a nice piping cup of coffee, and I look out into the vast wet horizon like a sad, dejected lover in a movie. Except, I am anything but sad. Matter of fact, when it rains, I get ecstatic, overjoyed, beyond excited. Not just because this bedrizzling weather comes with a cool calmness that I like. It's not just because I find the sound of rain to be refreshingly therapeutic. But it is majorly because this weather reminds me of home. As I watch the rain fall, for a split second I am back in rainy Nairobi, where the ladies are in cute trench coats, boots and infinity scarves, the gents are in hoodies and beanies, fare is double the price, and everyone on social media is lamenting about bracing the cuddle weather alone. You see, when you live in a different country, those little glimpses of home are everything. And for me, rainy days in Lagos provide just that. So Niger Delta Mirror TV, you were right. It is cool and nice. Very cool and nice. And I love it. But you know what would be a lot nicer? You liking, subscribing, making it rain in the comment section below, showering your friends and family with a link to this short, quick video. And if by any chance you missed out on all the terrible puns I've been throwing around aimlessly in this video, well, you missed nothing.